Alright everyone, hope you all are doing well. I bought this Xiaomi version 3 Pro 20,000 mAh power bank and unboxed this on my channel. It's been exactly 1 month, but I just forgot to review this thing, and 20,000 mAh, it's massive. Yeah, it's massive. Anyway, it helped me so much to charge my iPad, iPhones, everything. Anyway, recently one of my subscribers messaged me by watching that unboxing video, like what's the condition of this 20,000 mAh power bank, as it is pretty inexpensive but it is very good quality. In this video I'll be talking about all of the things. I have divided this video into several parts. I'll be talking about the designs, ports, usable power, price, and should you buy this thing or not. By the way, thank you so much V for letting me know on my Instagram that I have to review this thing, and I'm sorry guys, I have to talk about the design because this white color design is just amazing. The design, the texture especially is just gorgeous looking. This small micro dots on the design, like it makes the white pop up from its ground, like it's next level, and the ergonomic of this thing is just superb. So in terms of design, it is very minimal. At the front you will get the MI logo that is also like invisible. No one can tell which brand's power bank you are using, but it is just simple and cool, and that's the reason I think it is just super sleek. Especially that micro dots, every time I touch this it feels something special. And at the bottom there are the specifications that doesn't matter that much. Alright, now let's talk about the ports. How many ports do we have? Here we have exactly 4 ports. As you can see here, we have 2 USB-A port, 1 USB Type-C, and another micro USB. And I just don't use the micro USB that much. Other than charging my headphone, I don't use the micro USB port, but it's good to have the micro USB port. In order to charge this 20,000 mAh power bank, I got a 29 watt charger that charged this like in 6 hours or something like that. In order to charge this power bank, you have to use the USB Type-C port because it will give you faster charging rate. Anyway, that's about the ports. You will get pretty much every port that you mostly need, and the fun part is you can even charge your laptop with this thing. So that's amazing thing. You can charge your MacBook with this thing like for 1 or 1.5 time. And it's amazing. You can charge your headphone, you can charge your phone, you can charge your laptops, or even if you want to use some portable speakers with this thing, then you can also do so. So that's amazing. I have used my personal portable speakers with this and there is no such issue, and the power delay, nothing like that. It works pretty fine. Okay, let me tell you something. At first I was thinking about the 26,000 mAh PD charger by Anker. That is pretty expensive, like $69, something like that, but it is only $25. Okay, now the thing is, how much usable power can we get out of this 20,000 mAh? So exactly talking about, I have charged my iPad 2018 2 times with this power bank, and I think because it is new, it is giving me that much of a performance. Like I'm getting around 16 to 17,000 mAh usable power, but with its lifespan it will get a little decreased. But even after that, for the price, it is just amazing. Like for last 1 month I am using this, and I have successfully charged my iPad for near around 2 times. Sometimes it's a little less, but yeah, I can tell that yes, it's around 2 times because I just never drop my iPad's charge to 0%. Like it's always around like 10, 15, something like that. So I think that we can get around 16 to 17,000 milliamp hour of usable battery out of this 20,000 mAh, and that's not a bad point. That's pretty good. With the Anker one, we can also get something like that. But the thing is, I think in my personal opinion, the Anker will last for a long time, but as it is Chinese product and it is inexpensive, I think with next 3 or 4 months it will get a little worse, and I think I will get around 12 to 15,000 mAh battery at that point. I think so. Anyway, I'll make an in-depth review in future, like in 5 or 4 months later, who knows. Anyway, I have told you all of the goods and the bads, all of the things I think about this power bank. I think now you know should you buy this thing or not. Okay, the price is $25 and it is 20,000 mAh. Compared to Anker, it's inexpensive, and compared to Anker, for new condition it is going pretty well, like 16 to 17,000 usable battery life. It's not bad actually. With all of this mixed things, I have to say yes, you should go for this, as I have been using this as my only and primary power bank, and I have no such issue with this thing. I think you will also not face any kind of issue with this thing. And yeah, I think I like the design more than the power bank because that micro dot, I like any kind of microdots available on any kind of product. Anyway, that is about my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys really found it very helpful, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and stay tuned with our family to know about some amazing products and things like that. And the next giveaway is coming on the channel. I'm planning for that. Anyway, that is a secret. I shouldn't tell you. Anyway, that is all. Goodbye.